Let's make healthy ragi chocolate mug cake without sugar. It's also packed with nutrients. In a microwave safe mug, take 1/4 cup ragi flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon and half a teaspoon jaggery, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Combine all the dry ingredients. Now add 1 tablespoon melted ghee. Mix well. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons lukewarm milk gradually. If you want a more moist cake, you can add a little more milk. Add vanilla extract. Mix everything together until well combined. Microwave this cake for just 1 minute. Our super delicious ragi chocolate mug cake is ready. A guilt-free mug cake which satisfies your sweet tooth without sacrificing your health. Try it and you will not regret.